Hello everyone, welcome back to Work of Art. Happy to see you back. We're doing our new video of our anniversary sale from Nordstrom. So I'm wearing my yellow shirt to kind of go with the yellow theme like that, and I've got some more things to show you, some products that I think you'll have to purchase that will be really good value, some new products that have come out, some new brands have been added to the sale, so it's pretty cool. The clothing part of it, I've got lots of clothes. I've got plenty of clothes that I love and all that, but I'm really always, of course, focused on makeup and skincare and things like that. So I'll kind of go in order in the catalog with what we have in here, and I'll show you some things that I have that I already own that you can see how they work and things like that. So let's go start off, I guess, to the very beginning. So the first part, the Glam Out Days here. I have circles and different things here to remember those things, but MAC, for the first day, of course, we have the Nordy Girl palette, and that's a really cute palette. It's a long, skinny, kind of pink palette, and kind of a kind of mauve-y, kind of a purpley pink kind of palette, and they have just really cute colors, and then they have all mattes, and they have all shimmers. I'll do all the shimmers, and then I might also do the brushes that they have. They have brushes, they're really nice, full-size brushes as far as the head, but they're in a smaller length of a brush, and it comes in a really cute little case, opens up, and it opens up flat, so you can actually see all your things and then put it back up, and it fits into like a little, almost like a popper, like a Christmas party or something like that. It's a really cute little kind of way to package that. So then the next day is going to be the Beauty Bash, and that's when we're having all kinds of events going on all throughout the store, and we do have a $125 bonus amount to get another pretty gift bag to take for you at home. So that's kind of cool. So we have that there. We'll go into now to more of the actual bigger products that they're kind of focused on launching on. So Dry Bar is a really cool brand. It's a brand that I can't remember her name is, but this girl just started to do a lot more blowouts and things like that. And she started having like little cute salons in different places and just doing blowouts and having cute names for these things, having cocktails for the names and like that. So anyway, I did try a few of the products, and I just kind of, I have one that I purchased, but two that I just didn't work for me as well, and I have sample sizes I just brought for this time. So I got the Dry Bar On the Rocks charcoal shampoo. I was reading about this, a couple different articles about toxins and things on the skin, and if you have a lot of oil on your scalp, charcoal can kind of help detox it, things like that. It just dried my hair out really bad, so that wasn't good at all. And then we have the light conditioner for Dry Bar On the Rocks. Same thing. I use that, and I need more moisture. This wasn't really my favorite thing, but the Hot Toddy Heat Protectant made from Dry Bar is amazing. So I actually wrote down the whole list because it's a great list of ingredients. So just real quickly, ethyl olive oil. So that's a really nice hydrating thing that actually is in my hair right now, and it is great on my hair, so I love that for this reason. Charcoal powder is in there, but it's a little bit just to kind of suck up oil and shine, of course. Macadamia oil, moringa oil, chamomile, sage, hydrolyzed keratin, panthenol, soy protein, more olive oil, monomethicone, which is silicone, and then tocopherol, which is vitamin E. So there's a little more in there than just that, but that's a really, really great product. So the big thing is it's going to protect your hair from your color fading, and also minimizing frizzing and things like that. So it's actually like a sunscreen for your hair. So you could also, if you were in a hurry, you could put it on your arms too. I mean, it could go anywhere, but it comes in a little tube, and I bought the full size and left it at my store, so I don't have to show you, but I will have it later on. So the next one I have in here is the Foreo Luna Play little cleansing device, and just pop this off here. So it's a really cute little thing here. I have foundation on, so I probably won't do it on my skin, but you push the little button on the bottom, or actually on the back there, and you basically, I'll just do it on my neck. You can, of course, I use it with cleanser. Kind of has like a massaging action too. Kind of gets some cleansed circulation in there, and you have different sizes. You can go for smoother here, or if you want to work on an area, I see you have clogged pores in your nose, you can actually go right close to the nose. I probably go very, very lightly on the cheek area, anywhere near the eye area. But this one really has such a nice soft texture to it, and it's totally clean. It's sealed, so you really can't make a big mess with it. A lot of products will have a place where things can get into it and you can't get them clean, and like that, toothbrushes and cleansing brushes. This one here is all encased, and this one will last for 100 uses. And then once it's your 100 uses, then it's gone. You should buy a new one. You can also buy a full size one that is a better, it's a little, costs more, but then you can add batteries, I think, to it, something like that. So anyway, that's that with the Foreo. So pretty cool. I like that a lot. And then one of the things that I have for a little fun tool that I love working with tools is my NuFace device. This one here is a really nice one. I've had this for years. I got Nordstrom so many years ago, and I've been using it quite a bit. Helps a lot with lifting, shaping. Again, if I didn't have makeup, I probably have waited, but you put on some. I'll do my arm actually. So I have the gel. This is the gel comes in the container, and it's kind of more expensive to refill, and it's just a gel. Honestly, it doesn't really have any magical properties, and there's some things to add to it, but mostly what you need the gel to do is kind of like an ultrasound. If you were to go have, if you're having a baby and you want to go have an ultrasound and see what's happening with your baby or whatever, you know, like what's happening, they put gel on you, and then they put the tool over the gel, and then I'll turn on my little device, and this has a couple settings. You have a light setting, and then a higher setting. So that's actually, look at this. Okay, now we're to the top. That's the top now. So basically you'll go over and you'll just go over. Is it the beep? So basically it's really a quiet sound. And what I do basically, I stand in the bathroom and I just do sections. So I'll go from, turn you off for a second. Let's turn you off. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Okay. Anyway, you just basically go all the way to the end and do kind of a pattern. It's still, there we go, pattern it off. So like up angles like this. And you can go around the eye area, you can go above the forehead, you can kind of like lift the eyebrows a little bit. It really is a cool thing. So instead of having to spend a lot of money for refills of the gel, you can go to Amazon and get the gel they use at the doctor's office. So that one's a way to save some money anyway, but this really is a great tool, and again, like I said, I've used it for years and really do like that one a lot. Okay, next one we have here, let's see, that's the tools for us so far. So the Nordy Girls palette, I talked about that a little bit. It has the, the pink kind of colors. I'll show you the picture if you don't have Cala Candy, but there's the palette that I wanted to get. There's the brushes I might get. I probably won't bother with these here. This kit does come with the mascara and the liner. Yeah, mascara and liner. So that's nice. I like that a lot. Trish McAvoy has a really nice set, and this is their brush set as well. So those are very high-end, very expensive, and beautiful. We have Tom Ford in store now. So Tom Ford has this really cute palette here. The shadows are $85 by themselves, just for 4 colors, and they're adding 2 small lipsticks, and that's going to put you at $87. I might get one, and I might not. I'm just kind of thinking about, how much makeup do I need, and how much money do I want to spend. That could be a little crazy. Charlotte Tilbury, we don't have it in our store. We have it in Fashion Square, and of course bigger stores. But that's another pretty kind of combination of colors. But so is Laura Mercier, and so is a lot of other brands. There's a lot of really, really good stuff in here. So going back to some of the other products I have I can show you. Estée Lauder is a brand that I managed for many, many years, and so it's of course one of our most famous products for Estée Lauder. So we have, again, they always have to do their sets, and they do that kind of saves that quite a lot actually, with Raleigh Supreme, and then the nighttime cleanser and the eye cream. So that's a really cute one there. So I like that idea. They're also having a full gift going on during anniversary. So you'll have a Lancôme one is going on as well as the Estée Lauder one. So here, over in Lancôme now we have the Genifique here. So this is one that I have that one as well. It's a really nice one. I haven't used this as much, but I have a lot of products to play with, of course. So this is a really nice one for Lancôme. Again, they're having their big gift. They're doing another fun event. And one thing I like to purchase whenever they're having their gift is like to get the Savon Freshelle, which smells really yummy. It's what I use for facials, not facials, but like cleansing people like that, doing facials when I was working for Lancôme 30 years ago. So a long time ago. Anyway, so this is really, I just love it. It smells really good. So when you, if you were to buy on the next page somewhere, on the next page, we'll get to that eventually, there's a set of mascara. So you have the Definisil, you have the Seal Booster, which is the hydrating kind of plumping primer, and this is Mr. Big, which is big this year is actually its anniversary, so it'll be a full size, and they have a waterproof one as well, so that's what's good for this one here. And then of course it comes with a Bifacil, so not the same sizes, but they're just ones that I happen to have at home that I can show you, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, let's go to, again, back with my yellow shirt. So now I have, imagine this one being, this is a 4.2 ounce, imagine this being a 6.7 ounce, and getting this one with it for free. So that really is, that's a good deal. So that's a very awesome deal. That one is $39 and it's worth $53.50. So definitely a good deal with that. So my phone's ringing, my doorbell's ringing, but I'm busy right now. So let's see. So Moisture Surge, same kind of idea. They have the Moisture Surge set, and they have a full-size Moisture Surge. And this is a bigger one actually than what you'd have in this set is actually two slightly smaller ones. But this is what I had from Christmas, so this is a huge one. And it comes with a little moisture mist, so you can hydrate your skin while you're traveling. So that's a really cool thing as well. And let's see, what else do we have here? I think that's pretty much, yeah. Just also Jo Malone is doing a lot more fun fragrances in Jo Malone, and so again, I keep bringing out my, this is my Orange Blossom one, Neroli. So I just love this fragrance, and they've got again a lot of cute ones. They have a new set there as well, which I think you guys might like. So check it out, see what you think about the choices in the catalog. And of course, there's always more that you won't see because we don't have enough room to, you know, put them all in there and all that. So it'll be a very, very fun event, and it starts on the it starts for the top card holders basically are starting tomorrow, and then we have our early access for about a week and ish, a few weeks, or a week and a half, I guess, and then we start on the 20th for the public sale. So hopefully I'll see you guys later, and enjoy shopping at Nordstrom. Bye bye.